Now that your features are selected, your branding is finalized, and you've invited us to your Apple and Google developer accounts, it's time for the next major step. I'm Nia, your customer success specialist from Vyten. Submitting your app to the Apple App Store and Google Play. This is where everything comes together. And the good news is that our team handles this entire process for you. Preparing your app for submission. Before we submit your app, our team prepares everything required by Apple and Google. This includes finalizing your app design and navigation, connecting your integrations and features, configuring push notifications, preparing your App Store and Google Play listings, creating screenshots and preview images, writing the store descriptions and keywords. We also run technical checks to ensure your app meets all platform requirements. Both Apple and Google have strict review guidelines, and our team ensures your app complies with those policies before submission. Submitting your app. Once everything is ready, we submit your app to the Apple App Store, Google Play. From there, both platforms begin their review process. Typical review timelines are Apple, about 4 to 7 days. Google, usually 4 to 9 days. Sometimes Apple or Google may ask questions or request small adjustments. If that happens, our team communicates directly with them and handles any updates required to get your app approved. Previewing your app. During this process, you may also have the opportunity to preview your app before it officially launches. For example, TestFlight allows iPhone users to test the app before it goes live. Android devices can access similar internal testing environments. This allows you to experience the app exactly how your customers will see it and provide any final feedback if needed. Ongoing app maintenance. Once your app is approved and published, our work doesn't stop there. Mobile apps require ongoing maintenance to stay compatible with new devices, operating system updates, and evolving platform policies. Our team continues to support your app by managing future App Store updates, maintaining compatibility with iOS and Android updates, monitoring integrations with your existing tools, implementing new features and improvements, communicating with Apple and Google when needed. This ensures your app remains secure, reliable, and up-to-date as technology evolves. What's next? Once your app is live in the app stores, the final step is launching it to your customers. In the next video, we'll walk through how to successfully launch your app and start driving downloads and engagement.